Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Fitriani Rahayu with student ID number 11510014, class B1 2019, non-regular mathematics education. Here I will present about COVID-19, online learning, also my experience when COVID-19 to meet the tasks of the improvement test of general English follow in the fourth semester. Coronavirus infection called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 was first discovered in Wuhan City, China at the end of December 2019. This virus is transmits very quickly and spreads to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few moments. This makes some countries enforce the lockdown policy to prevent the coronavirus increasingly with spread. In Indonesia, the government applies the policy of implementing the restriction on community active or PPKM to suppress the spread of this virus. Coronavirus is collection of viruses that infect respiratory systems. In many cases, this virus only causes light respiratory infection such as flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infection such as lung infection, pneumonia. In addition to the SARS-CoV-2 virus or coronavirus, the virus which is included in the coronavirus group is a virus that causes severe acute respiratory syndromes, and the virus that causes Middle East respiratory syndrome, although caused by a virus from the same group. The coronavirus COVID-19 has several different which SARS and MARS among others in terms of speed of deployment and severity of symptoms. Symptom of coronavirus COVID-19. The initial symptom of corona or COVID-19 virus infection can resemble flu symptoms, namely fever, runny nose, dry cough, sore throat, and headache. After that, symptoms can be lost and held or even expired. COVID-19 sufferers with severe symptoms can experience high fever, cough, flu, and even bloody, shortness of breath, or chest pain. The complaint arose when the body reacted against the coronavirus. In general, there are three common symptoms that can indicate a person infected with coronavirus, namely 1. Dark, and then daily socks. Second, there are some other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although more rare. Some patients infected with the coronavirus can experience a decrease in oxygen without and only symptoms. This condition is called happy hypoxia. Pandemic will continues to force students to be adapted to today's condition. This existence of a government regulation that prohibits learning phase to make students turn to learn online a solution to continue to get knowledge while at home. Literally, learning online is learning activities carried out using an internet connection. By learning online, students are expected to get the same knowledge by learning to face, but more relative because the teaching and learning activities are carried out at home. There are several benefits of teaching online that can be felt, namely, A more relaxed learning process with the essence of online learning, student and teacher can be more relaxed because the learning activities take place at home. So student and teacher are more comfortable during the learning process. Flexible study time. This is one of the advantages of online learning compared to face-to-face. Learning online allows students to set their own study time, so students who have busy outside learning, such as work, can still be able to learn efficiently. It is easier to memorize the subjects of the lesson because the online learning system is completely digital. The learning material is not in the form of physical books but digital presentation and digital books. With the existence of learning materials that have been digital, students do not need to experience difficulties such as difficult to read or experienced by face-to-face students when sitting in the background and difficulty following dictation. So learning online is the right solution to keep getting knowledge during a pandemic. Sometimes, when the online learning process is found constrained, such as uneven internet connection or student lost focus learning to play online games, online slots, or watch online videos. However, you still have alternative learning such as digital books and free online learning application from the private sector and the government that makes it easy for you to get knowledge even though they are at home. As I felt this time slightly to the year 2020, right in the fourth semester, I was exposed to the coronavirus. At first, I was indifferent to the virus, but after I felt and I had to be an independent isolation that was about the approximately 1 month that I really felt and understand the virus there, where I have to limit interaction, especially to families, can work lectures as dispersed. The body is very uncomfortable, can smell and fragrant, can feel some of the mind flowers is very bad. Although now the government has conducted a vaccine, but it does not rule out the possibility we will be exposed. It was one of the specters for myself personally. From the incident, I got a lot of lessons where I did not be indifferent to my body. We must be able to control and regulate our lifestyle, same thinking, and so forth. Don't understand everything because not all things can be made comfortable. Maybe that is all I can convey. Sorry if there is a bad word that is not good, and the pronunciation of the spelling of the language is a lot wrong, because I was still very low in English. But I really hope that with this file I will be much better, and I will always keep trying to learn more actively. Keep your head and happily we can avoid the exposure of the virus and all diseases. Follow the health protocol in terms of diet, sufficient rest, and forget to take time to exercise. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.